LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. And I'm excited to share with you from this book I've been reading called The Go-Giver. And it's a book that I've been really impressed by. It's a short story, a parable. You can see it right there in front of you. A little story about a powerful business idea. And because LinkedIn is all about professional networking, and we can always get better and optimize and maximize our use of LinkedIn and all that good stuff, this week's 2-minute hot tip is about a new idea that maybe you haven't put to work yet. And it's called Law Number 2. It's the second law in the book, The Go-Giver, and it's called the Law of Compensation. All of us have to use money, right? All of us work, and one of the byproducts of working well is we receive these little gifts called dollars into our bank account, right, as a way to celebrate the job well done. Well, in this case, when we think about compensation on LinkedIn, I could say, and you probably have experienced it too, there's too many times when folks want to meet and greet and go right for the jugular, or right for a sale, or right for a pitch, if you will. And unfortunately, we get a bad rap as salespeople when we pitch too soon. And I think so many times folks don't develop any kind of relationship. They just want to go right for the offer and right for the sales pitch. And there's a time and a place for that. I get it. But most times, more often than not, it's not the first time or the second time you interact with someone should we be doing that. And so I want us to flip the script in this LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip and think about this law of compensation that says your income, our income, is determined by how many people you serve and how well you serve them. So keep in mind before you go right to a pitch, think about, is what I'm doing serving the other person or the person on the other end? Because when we know, it's better to give than receive. And when we seek to serve, we'll also be served. But you gotta first start with serving. So that's this week's LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next week.